Elon Musk was born in South Africa, in a place where opportunities were limited and the future often felt uncertain. From an early age, he was quiet, observant, and deeply curious. While other children enjoyed noise and easy entertainment, Elon preferred silence and thought. He spent long hours alone, trying to understand the world around him. He asked questions that most people never stop to ask. He wondered how the universe worked, why humans existed, and what the future of humanity might become. At times, he became so focused on his thoughts that he seemed distant from the world around him. Many adults misunderstood him, but his mind was always active, searching for meaning and possibility. Books became his closest companions. Elon read endlessly, especially books about science, engineering, physics, and science fiction. These stories showed him worlds beyond Earth and futures shaped by technology. To him, they were not fantasies, they were blueprints for what could one day be real. School life was painful. Being different made him a target. He was bullied and often felt isolated. Those experiences left deep marks, but they also built inner strength. Elon learned early that standing apart from others often comes with suffering, but it also allows original ideas to grow. When he discovered computers, everything began to change. He taught himself programming with patience and discipline. At a young age, he created a simple video game and sold it. The money itself was not important. What mattered was the realization that imagination, combined with effort, could create something real. As he grew older, ordinary goals no longer satisfied him. He did not dream of comfort or a simple career. He wanted to solve problems that truly mattered. He worried about the survival of humanity and the future of life on Earth. What if the planet failed? What if resources ran out? What if technology could offer a solution? Driven by these questions, Elon left South Africa and moved to North America with very little money and no safety net. Life there was harsh and demanding. He worked relentlessly, studied intensely, and lived with constant uncertainty. Many nights were spent sleeping in offices or working until exhaustion. Comfort was never the priority. Purpose was. He founded companies, and many of them failed. Failure became a familiar companion. He lost money, faced criticism, and experienced moments of deep fear and doubt. But he treated failure as a teacher. He studied every mistake carefully, using each lesson to refine his thinking and strengthen his resolve. One early success later became PayPal. When the company was sold, Elon gained significant wealth. This moment offered him an easy life filled with luxury and security. Instead, he chose risk. He invested nearly everything into ideas that most people believed were impossible. He founded SpaceX with the vision of making space travel affordable and ensuring humanity could survive beyond Earth. The early years were brutal. Rockets exploded. Tests failed repeatedly. Money disappeared quickly. Critics mocked him publicly, and pressure grew heavier with each setback. At one critical moment, only a single launch stood between success and total collapse. That launch succeeded. SpaceX proved that private companies could reach space, changing the future of space exploration forever. At the same time, he poured his energy into Tesla. Electric cars were expensive, unpopular, and widely doubted. The company struggled financially and came close to failure many times. Elon worked extreme hours, often sleeping in factories. Stress, criticism, and responsibility followed him every day. Slowly, innovation began to overcome doubt. Electric vehicles became more efficient, powerful, and desirable. Public opinion shifted. Tesla became a symbol of clean energy, innovation, and the future of transportation. Elon continued pushing boundaries through solar energy, battery storage, artificial intelligence, and neural technology. Each project faced resistance. Each vision demanded sacrifice. He accepted the personal cost because he believed the mission was greater than personal comfort. His journey was marked by exhaustion, pressure, and personal struggle. Nothing came easily. Every achievement required payment in time, energy, and emotional strength. Elon Musk's story reveals a simple truth. Big dreams are heavy. They demand discipline, courage, and persistence. Failure is not weakness. Giving up is. Progress belongs to those who are willing to endure hardship today to build a better tomorrow. He did not change the world because life was kind to him. He changed it because he refused to stop, because he understood that nothing meaningful is free and everything worth creating must be earned.